The next interesting sound is and that is letter M. The letter M sound from top to bottom. Again take your hand to the top and up and down. First this, then you bring it here, go up, come down. Do this, this, M. And the small letter M is without taking your hand. Without taking your hand. Down, then you go up, then you go up and come down. Letter M. The sound is What does your mom and dad do? They make meals for you. Let's sing that together, mom and dad. The mom and dad makes many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for their hungry children. After eating, what do you say? Very nice. The mom and dad makes many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for their hungry children. Letter M. It's got the sound Mom. Money. Good. Monkey. Many. Yes. Many. Then mat. Good. Mango. Milk you drink. Yes. Milk. The sound of letter M is You have mom, monkey, money, many, mat, mango, milk. The sound of letter M is The letter N. Actually, it is half of letter M. Very easy to write. And the sound is Letter N is written like this. Go up and come down and back again. You have like this, come down, and then letter N. Small n is very easy, no taking your hand. Go up again. So you have here, go up again and come down. N. Now, would you please stretch your hand out? Now that's going to be the aeroplane. You are the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lot of noise. The sound of letter N is like nail. Nose. Nut. Net. Yes, also nest. Bird's nest. Newspaper. Newspaper. Napkin. Necklace. The sound of letter N is Remember, when you hear the aeroplane, say letter N. Sound Sometimes, what will you say? Oh, why? You don't want to go to school. No. Or when you see something you don't like. Oh, I don't want to go there. The letter O, a very interesting letter O. How do we write letter O? The big letter. Just a big circle. O. Don't remove your hand. You start and you end there. Big letter O. And the small one is just similar, but a little small, that's all. O. When it becomes dark at home, what does mummy do? She'll put on the light. Now let's imagine dark and let us sing. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed and lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Get that again? Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Now time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. The sound of letter O, O. Get the mouth rounded. O. Owl. O. Word owl. Oven. Out. Onion. Onion. Ostrich. Ostrich. Orange. Octopus. The letter O, you must get your mouth O. The sound of letter O is O. Remember O, 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 O. Okay?